Hi guys, it's 50 Shades of Green again here with me unboxing video. Santa Claus was good to me, and I got this pressure canner. It took 2 months of wishing to Santa Claus for it to come, and it's finally come. So we're going to do an unboxing. It's a Presto 23 quart. It holds 24 half pint jars, or it holds 20 pint jars, or it holds 70 quarts. Sorry, 7 quarts. It's a 21.8 litre capacity. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tip it out. Onto the table. It's well packed. It's packed in cellophane, or whatever you call it, plastic. Just checking that there's got some polystyrene. There you go. It's absolutely massive. So the lid looks like it comes in the top, a bit of polystyrene. We've got the weight here. And which goes on, and then we've got the pressure gauge, which will have to be screwed on. We've got the automatic valve, pressure valve. Inside we've got the manual with all the recipes and how to use it. Little cautionary thing: do not use on a outside planer, and I expect this goes in the bottom there to diffuse. But yeah, I think it's quite hefty, very aluminium, very thick, very sturdy. I'll do is I'll get the book out and I'll read how that gets on. I'll just put you on pause. I am right. The gauge, it's got a rubber grommet on. You push that through, put the seal on, the little washer on, and then you tighten it up. And there you go. Before use, it says to take everything apart, get everything a good wash with warm soapy water, and then put it back together, and then we'll use it. And what we'll do, I'll stop the video here, and then but there you go. One Presto pressure canner and cooker, in working order, delivered, and the next video you'll see with this will be the first lot of stuff I'll be canning. So this is the thank you for watching, subscribing. Please comment below what you think of the canner. Next video I'll show you some glass jars and how they go in. And thank you very much. Bye bye.